Yeah, believe it or not, it is actually set to get colder now, not this afternoon, but heading into Friday. So take advantage of some of the nice weather still expected through this afternoon. A little chilly out there this morning, as you can see, Brooke bundled up, but by this afternoon, temperatures back into the 60s. Friday is the coldest day of the week. Strong winds out of the north and west. Temperatures only in the 40s. Some very dry air could also lead to an elevated fire danger on Friday. Maybe some field fire dangers there on Friday. Something to keep in mind. Then heading into this weekend, temperatures quickly rebounding. By the end of the weekend, we're back into the 60s. Now, waking up this morning, we've got a lot of upper 20s and low 30s across much of southern Illinois. Mount Vernon, one of the cooler spots at 28 degrees, while Pinckneyville's at 33. Carbondale down to 30. Anna at 37. Vienna also at 37. Cairo currently at 41 degrees. Further to the south, still some lower 40s back into western Kentucky. Murray at 43. Mayfield at 43. And Tiptonville, Tennessee, currently at 45 degrees over there near Reelfoot Lake. 34 currently in Fredericktown. 43 in Malden. And 44 currently in Caruthersville, Missouri. We've had a lot of high clouds with us, much like what we had around here yesterday afternoon. They're still with us early this morning, but notice the clearing line starting to show back up in some of our north and western counties. We will see the clouds start to clear out pretty early through the morning hours and enjoy some sunshine. Live view from Marion looking back into the western sky over Route 13, 148 there in the distance. Traffic starting to increase this morning as most people are getting their day going. Of course, we've had some rain, a large storm system right now moving along the Gulf Coast, once again bringing some very heavy rainfall to places that just don't need the rain, but also tracking another cold front making its way southward, and this will arrive later on this afternoon. Another Alberta clip are going to push back into the upper Midwest this morning. Though rain, can you believe it? Rain actually falling back into Wisconsin. A few snow showers all the way north into the UP of Michigan. Here comes the cold front arriving this afternoon with it. Just a couple added clouds in the sky. Once it sweeps through, winds are actually going to turn back out of the north and west, pick up later on tonight. Now heading into Friday, high pressure builds in from the west. That's going to keep the cool air pumping in here through the day on Friday. But once we get on the western side of the high, that back on here on Saturday, well, we do expect temperatures to quickly rebound. But still a lot of quiet weather, no rain today with the cold front. This afternoon out ahead of it, low 60s into southern Illinois, mid 60s further to the south into parts of the Boot Hill, Missouri. But here comes that cold air arriving through the overnight hours, waking up Friday morning, low 30s across much of the area. But we're just not going to warm up a whole lot on Friday. High temperatures only into the mid to upper 40s. Factor in a breeze. It's likely even going to feel cooler than that, and some lower 50s possibly into the Boot Heel of Missouri. Not only is it cool air, it is some very dry air. Notice the deep browns starting to arrive here on this map. That is some dry air. We're talking about low dew points, low relative humidity, breezy conditions out of the north and west. And again, that could lead to an elevated fire danger. So if you were one that was trying to burn some leaves, burn some brush here as we get into some of the springtime weather, well, you may want to hold off at least through today and tomorrow. Red flag warnings meaning elevated or higher fire danger to our west and to our north and west through Nebraska, Kansas, and back into western Missouri and southern Iowa. Wouldn't be surprised to see that red flag warning get just a little bit closer here as we head into tonight and Friday. Today, though, lunchtime temperature into the upper 50s, low 60s for afternoon high temperatures. Overall, still running about 10 degrees warmer than average for this time of year. Mostly clear skies to start off the evening, mostly cloudy skies by midnight. Winds turning out of the north and west and really starting to pick up. Could see some gusts up to about 20 to 25 miles an hour late tonight and into Friday morning. Friday afternoon, only upper 40s for high temperatures. We'll quickly rebound Saturday back into the low to mid 50s. We'll lose that hour of sleep, though, of course, Saturday night into Sunday. But Sunday afternoon, once again, feeling very spring-like. Temperatures back in the low 60s. A very windy afternoon there on Sunday and into Monday. Our next chance for widespread rain to start off next work week. So waking up Monday morning for your commute, you could be dealing with some wet weather. In fact, lots of next week looking wet at this point. So again, take advantage of the dry weather. Take advantage of the nice weather. Low 60s today.
All right, we will. Thank you, Nick.